right. Take three.
3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got the Bridge guys here. JD is up here on my left, your right. I got Ray up here again, my left, your right, or your right, my left. These guys are up here. We just wanted to stop and take a minute and say thanks to everyone for stopping in on the live stream that Grandpa Rails did the other night, taking over for Ray for Sidetrack Sunday. Hey Ray, we decided to make a change. What do we got?
Well, what we're going to do, instead of it being a straight video that we were originally planned, we're actually going to make it a premiere. So what's going to happen is at noon Eastern Standard Time, or U.S. Eastern, however you want to put it, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put up the premiere. And this week it'll be on Rick's channel. So that's what that's what we're going to do. And we appreciate the community for going ahead and giving us the idea, instead of doing the video, just doing the premieres instead. Grandpa?
What? Oh, it's my turn?
That was going so well. It was going so well.
I was so tuned into it. Oh, well, you know, we can carry on if you want.
I wonder if we could. I don't even think we could splice that at this point. It was,
All right, well, here, as we're going on with, remember, 12 o'clock, Sunday, Rick's channel, The Bridge Guys, episode number 1.
all right, we're gonna
Can't go wrong. Look what we're doing. We're having so much fun right here. And heck, how did I start off with my show?
That's right. That's right. And as Ray said, we had so much fun just with you guys in chat. It was you guys who helped us make this change. So again, join us this Sunday. We will we'll see you there because you'll see us there. Thanks again for the Bridge guys. See you.
Thanks, guys.
Perfect. I think.